students, class 8. Today we have new topic, that is conjunctions from your chapter 12 grammar book. Let's get started. Conjunctions. First we have to understand what is conjunctions and how it is used. So it is a word used to join words or sentences. It means that दो शब्दों को जोड़ने और सेंटेंस को जोड़ने में जो शब्द का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, the such words that we use to join words as well as sometimes two different sentences to join. तो such words which we called conjunctions. So here are several types of such words that are used in a different sentences. That are and, but, while, only, for, or, that, if, etc. There are several words. So these several words that we cannot use in a same type of sentences. एक ही प्रकार के सेंटेंस में हम लोग ये several words को इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते. So that's why here we have classifications of conjunctions. तो classifications of conjunctions that are coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions. These correlative conjunction, it's a pair of conjunctions. So we will discuss this pair of correlative conjunctions. We will discuss later on. But we have to focus these coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunctions. We have to understand at first. So let's discuss these coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunctions, how it is existed in the sentences. So let's discuss about the coordinating conjunctions. So we have to understand, identify in a sentence of coordinating conjunction, we have to follow the conditions. सबसे पहले हम लोग को condition को follow करना है. तो coordinating conjunction, in what way that we have to use coordinating conjunction, किस तरह से हम लोग को use करना है. So that's why first coordinating conjunction is used for additions in a sentence. Second one, coordinating conjunction in contrast, coordinating conjunctions choice in a sentence, and coordinating conjunction is reasoning in a sentence. If the condition is it is existed in this form, that we have to use coordinating conjunctions. So first we have to make sure whether in a sentences in these forms, if it is exists in this form, either in contrast, additions, choice or reasoning, then we have to follow the coordinating conjunctions. And coordinating conjunctions, what are they are in what form, किस किस प्रकार से ये coordinating conjunction होता है, तो we will discuss topic wise after completing subordinating conjunctions. And here subordinating conjunction क्या होता है, introducing subordinating conjunction, introducing noun clauses. As we already discussed about the clauses, how the noun clauses in a sentence and what type of adverb clauses in a sentence. So these are the types of clauses that we are used, subordinating clauses, in order to introduce noun clauses as well as adverb clauses. Now coordinating conjunction of additions. This is first coordinating conjunction of first conditions that we are going to discuss. Let's have a look here. It is coordinating conjunction of additions. First we have to understand its means. इसका मतलब क्या है? It is used to join two independent statements. Two independent statements. That means that are not dependent to another sentence. किसी दूसरे sentence पर निर्भर ना होना. That means having its own subject and verb, जिसका खुद का अपना subject और verb हो. That is called independent sentence. So in that type of sentences, two different type of sentences that can be joined by using a conjunctions. Conjunction words के द्वारा वो independent sentence join हो जाता है. जुड़ जाता है and it forming a one statements. So here some of the examples that I have written here 1 and 2. Let's have a look here. Example. See, the weather was fine. This is first sentence. First sentence. And another one is the sea was calm. This is second sentence. Second sentence. These two different sentences that we have. How to join these two sentences? And also this is independent sentence because it has its own. The weather is a subject and was is a verb. Its own subject and verb. Subject and verb when it comes together forming a sentence. It forms a sentence. And here is also a subject. The sea is subject and was is verb. That's why it is these two together forms a sentence. So these are two sentences are independent sentence. So these sentence do not doesn't depend on another sentence. And here also this second sentence is also not depend on another sentence. दूसरे sentence पे निर्भर नहीं है. That's why it is called a independent sentence. So independent sentence by using clauses, by using a conjunctions that we can join these two sentences in forming a one sentence. How? The weather was fine. The sea was calm. How do we join? By using and. The weather was fine. The weather was fine and the sea was calm. So this is the fact. So here I wrote adding sentence and fact to another. So that's why here is a fact to another because the weather is fine. That's why sea was calm. Therefore, I have joined these two sentences by using conjunction and. In this way, we can join two sentences in the forming of one sentence by using and. That's why and is a conjunctions. And is a conjunctions and this and is called a coordinating conjunction of additions because it joining the sentences, two sentences. Here another, the door was open. This is first sentence and another sentence, my things were lying scattered, lying scattered, बिखरे पड़े मेरे सामान बिखरे पड़े हुए. These are the two sentences. How do we join? By using a conjunction and. Because these two sentences are fact to another. The door was open and my things were lying scattered. The door was open. The door was open. दरवाजा खुला था और मेरे चीजें बिखरे पड़े थे. So that's why it is talking about the fact, what it was happened. That's why these two sentences related to one another. That's why it is called a fact to another. That's why it is joined by a conjunction by using and. It's a conjunction. So we have coordinating conjunction of additions example. So these are the examples of the coordinating of additions conjunctions. And as well as no less than, both, and not only dash but also. So these are the coordinating conjunction of additions that we can use in a sentences. in which the conditions related with these additions. Now, second, conditions of coordinating conjunction of contrast. First, let me make you understand what is contrast. Contrast, it means that expressing oppositions or contrast between two statements. दोनों statements में ideas are different. दोनों के विचार अलग अलग होते हैं. It express about the ideas in different. Both are not related with the same ideas. So here some of the examples. What type of expressing oppositions in a contrast statement? Prem Chand is quite rich. Prem Chand is quite rich is one sentence. He is not contented. This is second statement. So Prem Chand is quite rich. He is not contented. अब these two statements are having ideas, ideas in different forms. ये अलग अलग विचार को प्रकट कर रहा है. किस प्रकार के विचार? प्रेमचंद is quite rich. प्रेमचंद अमीर है. He is not contented. वो संतुष्ट नहीं है. So these are the two different ideas. That's why these type of statements that we call contrast statements. So in these contrast statements we have to use coordinating conjunction of contrast. That's why how do we write to join these two different contrast statements? Prem Chand is quite rich. Prem Chand is quite rich, but he is not contented. So here but is such a word, it's called a coordinating conjunction of contrast. Coordinating conjunction of contrast. That's why Prem Chand is quite rich. Prem Chand बिल्कुल अमीर है, पूरी तरह से वो अमीर है, लेकिन वो संतुष्ट नहीं है. So this but is used in these two contrast sentences by joining these words, which is called contrast, coordinating conjunctions of contrast. Now have a look. Second example. The train was fully packed. Write down as it is. The train was fully packed. ट्रेन पूरी तरह से fully packed है. We got a comfortable seat. But here also but we got a comfortable सीट. लेकिन फिर भी उन्हें क्या मिला? कंफर्टेबल सीट मिला. बट इज कॉल्ड ए कंजंक्शंस, contrast of conjunctions. Contrast of conjunction. Sorry, here something I messed up. Prem Chand is quite rich. Still, I'm so sorry. Here will come still. फिर भी, that means it stand for this sense. ये दोनों contrast statement में ये sense बैठता है. Still वाला contrast word. Still he is not contented. यानी कि फिर भी वो संतुष्ट नहीं है. Here but लेकिन उन्हें फिर भी कंफर्टेबल, यानी कि लेकिन उनको कंफर्टेबल सीट मिला. That's why this but is used for contrast, coordinating conjunction of contrast. So in this way we have to use if there is statement takes in a contrast form. So these are the some of the example of coordinating conjunction of contrast. But, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while, only. These are the words that we are used in a contrast, coordinating conjunction of contrast. These are the words. So here, why I put it in the bracket? Because where if you use still, either still or a yet, both are the meaning same in a contrast statement. You can use yet or still, both the meaning are same. That's why I put it into the bracket. So these are the examples of contrast, of coordinating conjunction of contrast. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.